Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 2 common mistakes learner drivers make and how they fail the driving test on the emergency stop. So let's get moving and I'll show you these things. Very simple, it's a very easy one to avoid, but it's something loads of people get wrong. The first one is quite funny. I'm not going to do like a full-on emergency stop, but I'm going to pretend I'm going to do one just here. So the examiner says stop, and this is what they do. So it's stop, people stop, and then they do this. Can you see what the problem is there? They didn't even stop. It's so funny how people do that. So I check around, there's no one around. The examiner says stop and people go. That's really common, a really common thing people do. You've got to stop dead. If they say stop, it's got to be stop, as in break, stop. The other thing people get wrong is what I'm going to do now. They don't look around. You must look all around fully, like that, and then go. Obviously you wouldn't go backwards normally, but that's what people get wrong. They just either don't stop or they stop and just move off without even checking. I'll show you a better example of that now. So they do this, the examiner says stop and they stop dead, and then they sort of look in the mirror, oh yeah, I'll go. They haven't even looked everywhere. When they say stop, you must stop dead and then look everywhere. Just avoiding that bottle in the road, thought it was an animal. So to say stop, you do stop, and this isn't a real emergency stop. Once you've stopped, handbrake on, check around, left to right, full 360 sweep, and go. Easy. That's how you avoid failing on your emergency stop. Yes, the stop itself you've still got to do. You've got to press the brake fairly firmly. I'm just going to go down this side road for a moment. But that's what you do in terms of after you've done the emergency stop. You don't just do it and then move off. You've got to actually stop dead, like I am now. Stop, look all around everywhere, like that, and then that's what you do. So that's how you avoid failing on your emergency stop. You can see another video I've done years ago on how to actually do it, but that's all for now. So thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.